Starting CAD can feel overwhelming with endless possibilities, making it hard to know where to begin. Too many tools and no clear direction. That's where CADArtifex comes in, making CAD learning simple, structured, and easy to follow. Master the industry's most trusted CAD, CAM, and CAE platforms through structured learning paths and real-world projects. Choose the learning style that works for you with comprehensive CAD textbooks, or accelerate your learning through engaging video courses. Designed by industry experts, every lesson is structured to help you understand concepts, gain hands-on experience, then dive into a collection of advanced mechanical practice exercises crafted for serious learners. Scroll through real-world engineering challenges, refine your techniques, and master the skills used by professionals every day. Empowering engineers with industry-focused content, step-by-step learning, expert guidance, and comprehensive resources for real-world success. Get personalized guidance through live training sessions designed for real-world engineering success. Stay ahead with the latest CAD, CAM, and CAE tutorials on the CADArtifex YouTube channel. Take the next step in your learning journey. Log into CADArtifex, engage with passionate learners, connect with experienced experts, and join a community dedicated to engineering excellence and growth.